DCA 3 Mixed Review number 2. Joe's favorite YouTube playlist is 20 minutes long. The times for 2 of the videos are shown in the table. How many minutes long is the last video? So we see in the table the 3 videos that must be in his playlist. And so we know all 3 of these added together equals the 20 that the whole playlist is. And so we're needing to figure out that 3rd video. So there's 2 ways you could do this. You can take the 20 and subtract out video 1, and then take that answer and subtract out video 2, and then that should leave you with video 3. I prefer to do it the other way, which is to add the 2 videos that we already know together first and then subtract from the 20. And so I would do 8 3/10 plus 5 2/5. Remember, we always draw that line between the whole numbers and the fractions since they are so different. And I start with my fraction side. I've got 3/10 plus 2/5. I can't add those right now because they have different denominators. So the first thing I always check for, can the lower number, the smaller number, become the bigger number? Can a 5 become a 10? Yes. So that's half the work. Love that. So I'm going to do 10 as my denominator times 2 times 2 equals 4/10. So 3/10 plus 4/10 is 7/10. And I check for 2 things always on that fraction side. Do we have an improper fraction or a fat cowboy little horse? No. Looks good. And will it simplify? 7 and 10 will not divide by anything the same except for 1. And so, no, it won't simplify. Done on the fraction side. 8 plus 5 gets me 13. I know some of you do the switch instead of looking for that smaller number. And so over here to the right, I have it done with the switch. But as you can see, even though I started off with 50 as my denominator because I took the denominator from here and multiplied top and bottom, denominator from here, multiplied top and bottom, I still, after simplifying, get that same 7/10 that we got over here with the smaller denominator. So always remember to simplify if you can. So either way, when I add those 2 together, I get 13 7/10. Now, that is not my answer because I was looking for the length of the 3rd video. And so now I need to take that 13 7/10 and subtract it from the 20. So I'm going to take 20 and subtract off 13 7/10. Nothing minus 7/10. I can't do that. We've seen this a couple times on our computation challenge. 20, we're going to take 1 pizza from Bob. And when we bring that pizza over, since we're wanting to subtract out 7/10, we're going to cut it into 10/10. So 10/10 minus 7/10 is 3/10. That is not an improper fraction, not a fat cowboy little horse, and it will not simplify. 3 and 10 will not divide by anything other than 1. So whole number side, 9 minus 3 is 6. 1 minus 1 is nothing. And so I got 6. Put those together for my final answer, 6 3/10. For those of you that prefer the subtract method rather than adding them together and subtracting, here's how your work should have gone. You start with that 20 and subtract off the first video in the playlist, the 8 3/10. That gives you an answer of 11 7/10. Then you take that answer and subtract out the second video, the 5 2/5. And I went ahead and went with that 10 common denominator because a 5 can become a 10. That gave me 7/10 minus 4/10, which is 3/10. And then 11 minus 5 is 6. Put that together, and there's that same answer of 6 3/10.